Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate everybody coming to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and like my content. It's very important to help me know that everybody is enjoying what they see, so I can create more content. My Fill the Fridge video has gotten over 1,400 views now, which shows that that's a lot of interest right now. So I have 3 more capsules to open for you today. So let's get on to it. I was shopping this weekend. I was gonna buy them directly from Amazon. You can get 2 for $19, but right now I don't know if Target's just having a sale on them or if they lowered their pricing, but right now at Target you can buy it for $7.99 per capsule, which comes out to be cheaper than if you were to buy it at Amazon. So let's see what we get in our first capsule here. So we have a ice cream magnet, which I already have this magnet on the fridge here. So I'm just gonna put this on the lower half. And then you get 6 miniatures. So let's see what we get today. So first one we got is the lamb chops. I already have the lamb chops, so I don't need this one. I already have it. It's just blank on the back side. I already have the lamb chops. Next one. This is kombucha. So this looks like it's a jar of kombucha. So like this would be how you would make it. At least this looks like what would be a jar of kombucha. I have made kombucha before, which is very interesting because it's actually tea that has sugar in it to get it to ferment, and that's how you make it. So it's an interesting process. Next one is macaroni cheese. I have this one already. Mac and cheese. I'm gonna put the kombucha back over here because that's what's new. Now the packaging, there's ones that are yellow and then ones that are green. So I'm not too sure what the difference between the two is yet. And then this is, I want to say it's ham, I think, natural ham. Yes, deli ham. Just saw it. I don't have that one, so that one's new. This one is, oops, this is juice. I have this one. And this one is ramune. This one is strawberry, which I don't believe I have a strawberry ramune. So let's see, this one is, yes, this one's peach, I think. Yeah, this one's peach, the one I already have. So this one's new. The strawberry ramune is new. Get that to focus. Okay, on to the next one. I'm excited because the warmer weather is coming, the sun is coming out more. Enjoying all of the nice weather. Okay, so, oh, a pizza slice for the magnet in this capsule. I don't have that one, so that's gonna go in there. We have tater tots. I have this one. And this one is is fresh fish. I have this one also, so I have 2 fishes already. And this is a fruit tray, which I have this one also. This one actually you can open up and the pieces come out, but they're connected. So it's kind of like a puzzle that you would just put in here. They fit a certain way. And I'm having difficulty putting it back in. There we go. So I already have this one. Another water. I have this one also. Bottled water. Okay. I'm just adding more to my collection. Ooh, this one feels new. Oh no. It is new. Okay, so this one is Pizza Hut, the dinner box. And if it will open, there we go. So it's the pizza dinner box. So that one's new. And then this one is Baskin and Robbins cookies and cream. That one's new. Okay, last capsule. Last capsule. I thought I got 4 of these, but I guess I only got 3. Which I was planning to open 4, so I apologize. This video is a little shorter than what I wanted it to be, because I wanted to get 4 and open up 4, but I ended up with 3. Okay, this is a grocery list for the magnet. So you have a grocery list. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Another fresh fish. I'm getting a lot of fresh fish. Ooh, this one looks new. This one looks new. Okay. Homestyle mashed potatoes. So homestyle mashed potatoes. Okay. This one is another ramune. Another strawberry ramune. So I have that one. Another juice. So in the top here, there's nothing in the bottle itself. This is actually on the label. The label. Let me see if I can get it. There's like a little lemon and stuff, but it's not inside of it. It's just on the outside, which I mean, it would be nice if they would have put it in, like made little stuff inside, just to add a little more detail. But still, it looks nice. Okay. Jello. So Jello pudding. This one I don't have. I have the vanilla pudding here. Here's the vanilla pudding. So now I have the chocolate and the chocolate vanilla swirl. Last one for today. What do we have? We have another oats jar. This one opens up. Oats jar. Okay. So that's what I have for today. I do like how these ones have details and everything. This one doesn't have anything in it. But still, I do like the detail of the labeling and everything on some of these. The Oli Pops, I actually drink Oli Pop and Poppy, so Let me know what you think of these. Sorry that this video is so short. I was hoping I was gonna open 4, but yeah. I probably will buy some more here soon, but please like and subscribe down below. I'm looking for more subscribers. I'm looking to do more content like this. Please tell me what you think, what you would like to see. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and hopefully you come back for more. Thank you so much.